Yeah. So this is $50 here from Charmaine from the Sunrise. Yeah, and the Sunrise team. What you selling? What you selling?
Clayton, clothespin, salad, but the things them.
So this is 43,000 from Delores and their anonymous friend. So count that. 43,000. Go on the back. We'll bring some pampers for you as well, right? Some pull-ups. Bring some pull-ups. Yes. 100 US here for you from the Sunrise team. It's Charmaine. So here's 100 US from Miss Charmaine and Sunrise team. Hey, I'm sitting to dance now. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah. So this is $50 here from Charmaine from the Sunrise. And the Sunrise team.
That is in. Alright, Miss Charmaine. Alright,
200 US.
200 US. Charmaine, project not done yet, you know. I'll go and see him, you know. So, you can't keep on for pocket piece. Yo.
Show them girl and get it.
Yo. Miss Charmaine, enough blessing only for love in my art, you know. Two art, them, you know. Because I tell you, there is a two art me have. Yeah, man.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Welcome, guys. As you can see, welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. So we're here another day in Church Town. You know, the thing goes, we're getting things done while the rain is pouring down. You know, the rain has been falling, as you can see, but now it's kind of subsided, it's stopped now. So, you know, we cannot make rain stop anything at all while we're working, you know. So today I'm gonna drop off some pampas as well to the Golden Age, and also to an elderly. You know, a lady been contacting me for the longest while. She lives in Arnett Garden, you know, so I'm gonna also go up there. Arnett Garden, just behind Charlie Smith School, you know, to drop off pampas as well too. And also want to give Damari his wheelchair today. Hi, cool on. We're gonna give Damari his wheelchair too. Oh, what go on? We're gonna also give Damari his wheelchair as well too. You know, today his wheelchair. So we're gonna make those flex quick and fast, you know. So we have some stuff as well to drop off for Cranberry and also for Father for the Year as well too. So you know what we're gonna do? I guess we'll have to pack everything. You see, Father for the Year first, and then Jungle, then Golden Age, then Jungle, then Damari. So 4 flex we're gonna do. You know, as you can see, it's been raining, and we have whoa.
Yeah, man, once and not twice, as I say. Yeah, there, man, for the ground, man, come now, left, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to upper Jonestown jungle.
Yeah. Yeah, Jenna.
No genius man there for the jungle man.
Yeah.
Dream team.
See there. Guys, they must be wondering what's going on with the Dream Team shop. It's on a construction same way.
Yeah.
You know, as we say, some thing take place in the community, so it's under construction, you know, so don't worry.
Yeah.
You're gonna see it back up and running fresh. You know, new fresh paint. Well, the same blue paint we hold about the artwork as well, too, you know, so don't worry. Soon and very soon the shop will be up and running back again, you know.
Street. Up and running,
Yes.
Yeah, because we don't forgot nothing, you know, because we don't done yet, you know. Long time we don't link up with people, them still, but talk, man.
Talk, man.
Yeah, man,
So you can see, guys, the shop is under construction, you know, so accident took place, nobody was hurt, you know, so that's what's happening. And we have Bombing Ball out here as well today. Bombing Ball is here.
I can't get wash no vehicle. Mash up my business.
Yeah, wash it in the rain.
No,
Yeah.
but for business.
You know, it's good. Imagine the rain a fall and you wash car, see me.
Don't it, I didn't go get
And I
myself
try
out.
dry it. And I try to dry it. Now we have Barney Bob. You know, always I get the left and the right.
Yeah,
See me.
Pick up yourself, you know, one team, you know. Team as usual. Left and the right, you know.
Yeah.
Still left on the thing going, see me, you know.
Same way, same way.
Give up, you know.
No,
Pick up
no.
the self-extending family, you know. More love and more happiness, you know, still I do. For everybody.
Same way.
One love.
Same way, so yes guys, so the rain stopped. So like how the rain stopped, as we say, our work never stop, even it's raining. So whenever the rain stop, you know, so our journey have to continue. You know, nothing can stop that. So we're gonna go on the machine now. And also there's the marriage chair right there. So we're getting it charged so we can drive it, go over and drop it off. So that Mary will be getting this today. You know, so we have some stuff back out here already. You know, for father for the year. And also we'll give him a donation as well too. So catch what? These are some underpads too. Oops, sorry. Alright. Yeah? And them gear now?
Yeah.
What me do? Leg bag. things. Alright, that's that. Put this in. Pull up.
Because push on. We just have pack them, you never know some more stuff out.
We'll never pack them good. Stop it. I want the father for the ear over there. I'll leave father for the ear and come back. Boss, step over and blow. Indo.
Yeah, man, I'm doing my job.
I'm taking up my I can guess in Jamaica we have a rainy Christmas. It's not a sunny Christmas, nor a snowy Christmas. It's a rainy Christmas. Rainy Christmas. We say we're having one rainy Christmas. Period. So guys, let me say, we're going to take on the mission today. You know, before we go any further, remember guys, remember to give the video a like. You know, as you're watching now, please stop for a moment and give the video a like. Before coming through these fence, you have to give it a like. Because look how we have to turn sideways. Esther, if you ever get fat in a boy, you can't walk through the fence. If you
walk like crab.
Yeah, you have to walk like crab coming through these fences in the trenches of Trench Town. You know? Trust me. It ain't no playtown at all. Oh, Jamila. Yeah, man, donation too. Yeah. Hear him?
Yeah.
One general. Rain in Bob Marley yard. Soldier down. Hello. How you doing? Not good. I like your top. Come here. Let me see your top. I like your top. You got the arms them are wide, long. What's going on? Extra big. Oh, you she sick? Or you catch a flu? Yeah. Okay. Oh, share. Oh, shiny. Okay. Feeling much better now? You feeling much better? No?
I don't know what happened with the rain. Rain is water, right?
Yeah.
How do I get sick when rain's water?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't. Gaga! Yeah. So that's the son up there, you know? The big boy. So Sean, it's up. I'm bring some stuff here. A sound clash. You not come outside.
Online working there.
Oh, you not stay inside.
Friendly with nobody.
I'm too wicked for
Yeah. The best thing then. What's wrong now, Chanel? Why you look moody?
I don't like the rain.
You like the rain?
No.
Make you sick? Oh, shh.
You know, I want to watch Gumball, but it's stuck on T-Titans and it's getting boring.
So why don't you change it?
I can't change it. It's make us just watch it. I don't want that. And I don't want to watch Dad's movie. Scary.
Oh, so your dad watch scary movie. So, were you watching on Netflix?
Yes, Cartoon Network.
Oh, Cartoon Network.
Yes, I don't want to watch Gumball. It's funny.
It's funny, right?
Yes.
And your dad watch scary movie.
That's funny.
Yeah, man, to bring some things here for you to pick out from the Sunrise team. You know, so you know we can make it work while we and them, you know. And also we have 50 US here for Shanette. You know. Yes, US dollar. 50.
Who will take USA dollars?
Yeah, they take it here in Jamaica. Your daddy knows. Ask your dad, they take it here in Jamaica.
We'll take USA
Yeah.
dollars.
So this is 50 US dollar here from Charmaine from the Sunrise.
Charmaine.
Yeah, and the Sunrise team.
Thank you, Charmaine. It's so nice. But
Wow.
why you look so serious?
Oh, he look serious? I don't know why I'm look so serious. You need to ask him why I'm so serious.
Right, that's serious.
He's a serious person, your dad said.
Where's the
It's one of the presidents.
where's the diamond something? What's supposed to be here?
There's no diamond. No diamond.
Yeah.
Sorry, so you can thank Charmaine part of the year.
Alright, Charmaine. Thank you very much. Why, festive season, boy. I'm kind of down, but I kind of cheer me bright and now, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Say things, shit.
Yeah,
I
man.
got a blood test because take a UC, me can put it down and the giant blood and long one, is it?
Yes.
Yes. Urine test and blood test, not going back with.
Okay.
Is it?
So
The last time we go up there, 9,000 everything it cost me. Yeah. So, this can put on towards it now, because the 12th of December we go up the back.
12th of December.
Yeah.
Okay.
Back to the UC, go take blood test and history, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
I just say things set right and all.
Alright, then.
And the doctor up them name to Gabby. You see her say everything alright still and she never
Okay.
go her foot look back.
So everything is coming on fine now.
Because she now have a problem with the medication that she has taken and
Okay.
you know, I'm surprised if she say it's strong. No people, no for them say kids them a take it, see a medication, give them running belly, give them nausea and them thing there.
Oh.
She now none of them things that's strong.
Okay, so I guess that's the side effects.
Yeah.
You
It's
know,
not a side.
and she not the side effects.
4 times per day she take her medication.
Mm.
Yeah. I mean, I got a problem with her, and she's not sick.
Oh.
So the shop is all right now.
Okay. That's good then. She's healthy. Yeah, it's alright. It's good.
Hopefully, boy, I'm go back next month. Kind of get a better results.
Yeah, yeah. Trust me, man, you're on the right path. You know, everything is happening in the right way.
My father against the streets.
Yeah.
People overseas, everybody are prayer, and everything are coming from the same plan, the same plan, the same.
Yeah.
So, I better give thanks and all of me, the same.
That is it, man. The right way, man. Shanette, you're coughing. Don't worry, you get better soon, okay? Sorry then, Father. Look up yourself now. So go inside the room. Bye, Shanette.
How did they make this palace?
Dallas?
How did they make this palace?
Oh, the palace, that's the White House.
It's big.
Yeah, it's big. Hello, Ven.
House.
Right?
It's not a house.
It's a palace. So Father will get rid of them. Alright then. Cover your mouth. Alright. Hi. Can't take the judgment in a tenement yard. She can't take the. Alright guys, so we're gonna see Jamila as well while we're here. So, a donation for Jamila as well too. We're gonna walk with that Jamila who is Natisha's daughter. And she also had a baby as well too, so let's go up here. Nat. Yeah. What Jamila there? She there? We're gonna go see baby. Baby mama. Baby mama.
You look sad.
Why she sad? Hello, baby mama. Baby born. Big a boy or girl? Girl. How does it feel to be a mama? You're a little granddaughter? You say you worship grand? Natisha, come here, darling. Come here. How does it feel to be a grand? How does it feel to be a grandma? Feel alright. She said feel alright. How does it feel to be a mama? It's hard. Say you never know, say it's hard. You didn't know? Natisha never tell us that having kids was hard.
Welcome to the club.
Welcome.
Them say you have to pay for learn.
Yes.
You're not taking no time, so you have to pay for learn.
Grandma Natish. Hello, Granny.
For everybody. You know this for all of us.
Trust me. Baby, having babies. Baby. She a big baby. Tough. Now a donation for you, for the baby, not for you. Cause I guess everything that you get is for the baby now, right? Natish, come all this money for Jamila, please. Come, Granny. Hello, Grandma. Jamila.
I am one.
Okay, so I have a donation here from Miss Charmaine, 50 US here for Jamila. You know, Miss Charmaine from the Sunrise team, our nurse. Right, so here's 50 US here for you, Jamila. Not for you, for the baby. The baby gonna need it now. So that's 50 US there. Miss Charmaine.
Miss Charmaine from Sunrise. May good Lord keep and guide and protect me. Food basket never run dry. Big up and bless up on myself. Respect. Thanks a lot for the help.
Yes, Jamila, big up Miss Charmaine, thank her.
Miss Charmaine, thank you for the $50. And may your food basket never be empty.
And the Sunrise team.
And the Sunrise team. Bless up.
Yes, if you big up the sun. Boy, what a road for you now, hey? Yeah, I forgot no. Baby start cry 3 in the morning, eh?
And security road she don't get paid.
3 in the morning, baby crying.
Every night she up.
Have to be up. You can see.
Sleep a day.
Look on her face, sleepless night. You can see.
I'm tell her,
Yeah.
that she just wake her up.
Sleepless night.
You run a bucket time with a breast time.
A breast time. Welcome to the family. Granny resort baby. No, wait, not resort baby, no. Resort Granny.
Join the club.
You join the club. She turn in a grand. Finally now you feel it, right? How does it feel to be a grandma? Still young. It's a nan. The baby has a nan.
Yeah,
Nan one bottle.
You better call grandma or nana?
I don't know.
Nan.
When she get
What's the
big,
baby
she
name?
decide.
You get a name yet? Choose any name? What's the name? Kalia. Oh, it's a girl, right? Kalia.
Yeah.
Kalia. It's a Kalia dream. A Kalia team.
Yes. One more on the team.
One more on the team, boy. Alright then, Natisha.
Here.
Yes. Baby born, you know how thing goes, guys. You know how thing goes. Natisha turn granny. So you know we have to all take on those roads. You know it goes already, so yeah man guys, so we're gonna head around and give out the rest of the donation. So welcome to Natisha Palace. Dada.
So get money already. That's what we can call it.
No.
Stop.
Yeah. Take out the socks as well. Take out. Yeah. Tabi. Kino. What that? No, that's for the Mary. Where that's still.
Again.
Much fun pasta come on. What is the line on there? This over. Yeah. and flying. I'll get in as well too. Damn, I don't spread too.
Bring this up.
Yo, check it out. Bring some things from Jaffa. See them canteen, yeah? A chicken noodle soup in them. Yeah? So we have some Jaffa, some Pampers and liners and some more of the socks them what them can wear. You see the soup them? Them are the big can them. Where you can bust them and warm them up. I will have some toothbrush as well here. A box of toothbrush. From the Sunrise team, yeah?
The Sunrise team.
Yeah, the team when they bring the stuff them the other day.
Okay, yeah man. I hear them up from here.
Yeah man, you can't thank them, them have to watch them man. So you can.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, thank you very much. From the Irish at the Golden Age home to the Sunrise team.
Yeah.
I see you keeping up your correspondence and that is very good.
Yes sir.
Thank you.
Yeah man, there's more to come man.
Yeah, Bracken, alright, take it.
So just keep me posted there.
Yeah man.
If you go on anything more, let me know, right?
Yeah, I will, okay.
Yeah man. So I'm gonna give some liners as well, some bed liners as well to there as well,
Yeah.
right? So,
Well, you know, the Pampas very important at all
yes,
time.
yes.
Okay, alright.
So just give me a call if anything, if you run out. Yeah?
Yeah man, alright.
Alright. Yeah man, sorry. So we'll give thanks to the Sunrise team, you know, so we'll just have some Pampas here. So we're going to have some Pampas as well to up by the lady in Jungle and also the Damari, you know. So we're going to go Jungle first, you know, just Anna Garden. Then come back down.
You guys look like now.
Chips and chips.
Yeah, also.
Chips and chips.
Yeah, what can I hear?
Chips and chips.
I should walk with that little one.
May I go here, sir? May I go here, sir? Over here, sir.
Push up, you know. Someone, man. Woman is.
Huh?
Next word, just come from
Next way? Oh, in here, sir.
the whole team. Yeah. Right. Come through the river.
No, me I tell you, around so she living at the scheme.
Okay.
Which I go on? Which I go on?
I put her outside.
Love put her.
And them, you know? Yeah.
Love put her outside. We can just give her then. Come on, go out. Alright. Yeah.
Walk and talk.
Chips are sealed out. The chips the chips are sell out. What you selling? What you selling?
Clayton, clothespin, sale out! Buy the things them!
Black Friday sale.
Yeah.
And the clothespin shots over 6 wheels.
No, 250 6 feet and 7. No cheap at all. You turn there. For the Black Friday.
Black Friday sale.
Our size should wear? Large. Large.
What is exactly by sharing things?
Moko work with them again. Charlie Smith, lot man. Let's check it twice, not once. What's the name of the scheme? Paradise Court. Up in the jungle. Oh, Portia the Billis. Hey, so chef, watch your car. I saw quick that I broke inside of it. Right, so we're literally up here in jungle, Arnett Gardens, you know, between 9th Street and 10th Street. You know, over there we have Charlie Smith School, you know, so I say she's been watching the program and you know there's someone that so the lady, she's what to you? The lady's what to you?
I mean, her daughter become friend, and from there, so she does say me her granddaughter.
Oh.
Yeah. I think more time I cook and make her dinner go here, so.
Okay.
From she got doctor about 2 months ago, she come back, she can't stand up fully time, like she shut up on her face.
Okay.
So she didn't even ask me about wheelchair, I tell her, so Pampas me did ask her for.
Yeah, because we get some more wheelchair but when I get it here, cover. Yes. So you always are watch, so whenever we get the wheelchair, I'll keep it in mind, see me?
Yeah, you know.
We keep it in mind, see me, and make you get a wheelchair when them arrive. So we have some lot of wheelchair to come as well. The breeze is blowing though. The breeze is blowing. You know, say if they maintain that scheme yet, that will look nice. All that scheme I don't want to maintain. Yeah. But it don't look bad. Yeah. The scheme here don't look bad at all. I always drive past it.
And that's what I'm used to it first.
Right here, sir.
Yeah, I never move around, Oh, go on, Miss Mina. Yeah, man. And them I move around. My mother and my father blind.
Okay. Oh, I'm blind. What caused that?
Glaucoma, they never want
Oh,
the
glaucoma.
operation. Yeah. They never want to do the operation.
Okay. So when the scheme just built, that's when you get this house?
Come over here.
Come over here.
Never get it that time. My mom did get it. Me did appear it right here.
Oh, so you guys pay rent up here? Crack. Oh.
People get for them and they bring it up.
Okay.
Yes, so she live in a regular car.
Yeah.
And then I
Alright then. Them precast them. So that's them broke off.
I think one side of them broke right the precast. Just bill them and contract them.
Okay, them one with them. Okay, them pre and drop them.
Yes, the chips on one.
Chips? Yeah.
Remember when you long time
Chips on? Hey, big dancer. Come here, with Miko. A big dancer. Guys, imagine this is Stacy, big son, you know. First one. Yeah. You're the big dancer. Hey, I'm see two dance now. Hey. Jeez. Just see your mother, you know. Just here on 9th Street. Pop.
So where you live? There? Oh, you live with her? Oh. Okay.
You live with Man Stacy live?
Yeah.
Oh.
But sometime I'm around here, same. She live at Sunrise.
Who's Stacy? Much past Sunrise there, where so?
Maxfield. No, so that's Maxfield Sunrise there? Yeah, Maxfield.
Yeah. Right now the house them down in a trench town. You have to lucky to get something.
when nobody have a family, I would also nobody have family, I grab that.
So this was a Workman here? When Porsche built this? Was a Workman?
Yeah, big Workman.
Yeah, them two money, I'm going to tell them about the
Foundation, man. Yeah.
Yes, Jericho.
Hello, mama.
I'm a wife.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a wife.
Hey, wife?
Yeah, I'm a wife.
Cheers. So much years now you're not married?
Over 20 a year.
Okay.
From 97.
97.
Yeah.
Now go on then, man. Now go on. You see? Whoa, chef.
Hello.
Come here.
Come here.
Example. This is an example for you.
Yeah.
You know? Whoa, you know? Wow, see? I'm wife this, you know?
Yeah.
Say no, sir. So you have to go. You know?
Yes, dads.
Respect,
you know.
respect.
But 85, 86.
All right.
Mommy. Love, you know.
So we,
The big woman, you know.
Yeah.
Daughter.
well, she call her a daughter, right? What's your name, mommy?
Nicola.
Nicole.
Hey.
Yeah.
Dear.
Yeah, and we name husband?
Ronald Dear.
Ronald Deer.
Yeah.
That was Ronald Deer.
It's enough gold beer then.
You know that the deer we right with letter, you know.
Oh.
And the rainforest deer, 2 E.
Oh. but look at his ears look like the elf. And he talk about deer. You know? Chingo talk about deer. And they see ears not like that, so we are the elf. Look on it. Yeah. You sure you're not? Yes, you're Santa related.
No, me don't know. Me don't know.
You're on the Earth, not related. And North Pole. So, mommy, so how you feeling otherwise, though?
I feel. I'm in pain. I'm got that drop and doctor say I'm discolate the spine. The spine get damaged.
Oh, your spine get damaged?
So I have to be and walk and I can't move by myself anymore.
Okay. So you definitely gonna need a wheelchair, right? So we have some wheelchair from Jamaica.
Yeah.
You know, so whenever it arrive, I would definitely make you get one.
Okay, I will be grateful.
Yeah, man, for sure.
Like one year, my husband, my sweetheart, me everything in a one.
For your grandson?
Yeah.
Okay.
And everything him do for me. Yeah, let him out and nothing. Looking like my grandson.
I'm a daughter.
Yeah. And the husband always there for you.
Yeah.
Of course. Definitely I go try and whenever I come and make sure say you're the first one get one from the batch.
Okay, I will be
Yeah.
very grateful, but this is what I have to go on and I can't manage. The mother one can't me out the door, but I can't come out.
Can't come out. I understand. So that's the only thing I suffer from right now, the damaged spine. Or they give you medication for it?
No, when I buy it, I have to go and buy it at the pharmacy. My husband go and buy it at the pharmacy.
Okay. What kind of medication that they give you?
Nerves and sleeping tablet.
Pain tablet. Oh.
And nerves.
Is it any pain tablet? Esther,
No, me have a PT and show.
without pain tablets?
Yeah, dear.
Yeah,
Aspirin.
Aspirin? What? Aspirin? Oh, she can't take aspirin. Oh. Okay. So we'll bring some pampers for you as well, right? Some pull-ups. Bring some pull-ups.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, so then so just keep me posted, you know. You know, so if them run out, they can just call me. If never anymore, me come and drop them off for you. You know, so.
E85.
Eh?
E85.
Yeah, me have a number still, so she will call me and let me know what I go on.
Okay. Then here are these shoes. Every week I forget them. This finish. This like the sleeping one.
No, that's
Oh, nerve.
Nerve. Yeah.
Is that pain?
No, like a nerve to take that.
Nerves and pain.
That yeah, with this.
This is nerves and pain. This is nerves and pain. This is for sleeping. Because we couldn't sleep now if I walk up and down. I have cramps in my belly.
Yeah.
So I tell him and him say I have to get this to sleep because I'm not sleeping properly.
It's a neurobalin. Let's see. Okay. You're familiar with this one?
Yeah.
So diclofenac.
Alright. Yeah. I really like and that didn't transit that some else there.
What is it? We
Take your time then, yeah?
So, pleased to meet you.
Kino, my name is Kino.
Okay, Kino.
Kino, right?
Next grandson.
Yeah. Alright then, so just keep me
And
posted.
this is my best friend.
The best, yes, that's what she said, you adapt her.
Best friend. My mother, my sister, my auntie, and me everybody.
Everything in a one.
In a one.
Of course. I'm like how, you know, she look out for you, see me,
Yeah,
you know?
man, yeah, man.
She look out and she call me soon as she see the program and
that you will either she will come for it, but we never know.
She not even knows that Macaulay and them tell her.
Okay.
So you don't get some pampers and you call them and ask him, and she said, yeah man, auntie.
Yes, man.
Let me tell you about
The wheelchair.
And the wheelchair. But don't worry, I get a wheelchair when them arrive, yeah?
Okay.
Or if I get anything before the one that's gonna come,
Yeah.
then I get to see him here.
Okay, alright.
So
You
that's-
know the address, so you can
Yeah, man.
drop it off.
Alright, no problem.
Okay, and thanks again, Miss.
Her name is Esther.
Hello, Miss Esther. And Mr. Kino.
Yes.
Okay, and
Angela.
Yeah.
The dream team.
Bye.
The dream team.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. So I will look out for anything I see down there for you, yeah?
Okay,
So I will make it happen.
Dearie! Tell the grandfather. We can come bring her back.
So the walk are good as well too, eh? Banana rubber. Yeah, wait. Okay.
Careful how may I come down here.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't come down here to ask me. I can't go again. And
Yeah,
thanks
bring her
again.
in.
Alright then.
You can't go, yeah.
Yeah, my general, bless up, yeah?
Bless it, good
Yeah.
for pressure.
Yeah.
Here, come back the grill, yeah?
Hello, hello. Who? Oh.
Be a madness in
Alright guys, so we're gonna have some wheelchair coming down from the Sunrise team, you know, so we're gonna make sure she get one of them as well too, you know, when them come, you know, it'll be the first priority for her to get one whenever they come. You know, so we give thanks, you know, so we're gonna try and make it over now to see Damari, even though I'm telling you, as you can see, the place is going to rain. This one is gonna burst. And it's gonna burst hard, trust me. Holy Parian. So we're here in Arnett Gardens. Arnett Garden. Them say Porsche build these buildings. At least Porsche they make the open land to use. Oh, come see a car over there so as well. That's a good business in a car, you know. Yeah.
What's your stone?
Yeah. Roast down.
Sometimes some kids come and run them.
Oh.
Carry them down.
So long they been watching the program?
Well, no, I'm from. Tell you, I can't tell a lie. Remember when you go down a Portland, down a Colors?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, from them time.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
I just tune in from there.
Just tune in and I watch it. All the thing with the one go and
Yeah.
everything, you know? Yeah.
It's good, man. So what's this?
Do a good work, do a key, you know?
Yeah.
And the team, you know?
Yeah.
I love the team song. Every time I play,
Oh,
I see it.
oh, me don't know what them are
What do you so? But they won't like newspaper.
Yeah. Burn them out like newspaper, man, you know. You know, we have to put a fire on a heater, you know, so burn them out like newspaper and put a fire on a heater. You get me? Burn them out, you know, like you like newspaper, that's a lot of fire. You see me? That is it. Me don't know what them are pre about. Oh, the lady.
Your mommy.
Are you mommy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where chef I go?
Yeah, so we're always stretching legs, you know. We'll know everywhere. So we get the wheelchair, we get now the motor one, you know, for the guy named Damari.
Yeah, man.
So I'm gonna drop it off here now. So you know, we're on the journey, see
So I
me.
say thanks again to you and the team.
Yeah, man.
And bless up the Sunrise team, same way.
Yes,
Make
yes.
it possible so you can make it possible. Come donate something to the lady.
Yes, yes.
And thanks again.
Yeah, man.
And we keep in touch with the wheelchair.
Alright. Yeah, man, for sure.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Jenna. She said.
Yes, upon chance.
Alright, guys, so we're back here. So we're back here in Trenchtown now. Well, was in Trenchtown, so I know what I'm talking about.
Upper Trenchtown.
Upper Trenchtown. Now we're down at Trenchtown. We're down in Trenchtown. Whoa! Come here. So right now we're down in Trenchtown. Now also we have a donation as well too for the wow chef from Miss Charm in the Sunrise team, you know. Also, yes, to help out with the wow chef opening, you know. So you know it goes already.
Yeah.
So we have 200 US here for your wow chef.
Yeah.
From Miss Charming Sunrise team, you know.
It's Charming.
Put on that to the now. You know, wow chef and always have something in it.
Yeah, man, because you don't know Miss Charming, you know. Love you, you know, Miss Charming. Yeah, man, because come like, you know. Respect for you show with love, you know.
Yeah.
That is it. Alright, Miss Charming. Alright,
200 US.
200 US. Charming, project not done yet tonight. I'll go and see him, you know. You know, Gino can't keep on for pocket piece. Yo,
Show them girl and get it.
yo, it's Charming enough, bless and holy for love in my heart, you know. Two heart, them, you know, because I tell you, there is a two heart me have. Yeah, man, so blessed love, you know. Holy for respect enough. I tell you, Miss Charming. You know, the one I go see her again, still, but tag happen. Yeah. Holy for love, Miss Charming. Holy, remember me tell you, man. Blessed love the whole team, yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Come on, New York, Florida, a two places in America, me come, you know. Come here for the Florida. I'm here for the New York. You see? Alright, I'm going to all both, so. Holy for blessed enough love in a Charming. Big up the whole team. I don't really know some of the names, but big up the whole team.
Yeah,
man.
so
Blessed
them
love.
also go up in saying what I go buy.
Charming also go home, weeks in the day, the champagne go pop. You see me I say? You have a look of glass and all, you know?
Yeah.
And I eat, man. Let's say nothing, man. Charming, blessed love. Hold it, man. Yeah. Yo, bro.
You say more one for keep. Yeah, Esther. Esther, give him one for keep.
Esther, give me one to keep on Esther.
And later I come back for you.
No, man, I go keep on pocket, man. Yeah, man.
Keep your pocket warm.
New York, me soft on it.
Yeah. Remember me, I'll circulate.
Yeah, man. Gotcha. I tell you, blessed love, Charming. Enough love to my heart, you know. I tell you, John, along with all 20. 10, me I take it see you the Charming. Blessed love, you know. Yeah, man. You see me I say? Thank you very much.
Yeah. So the rain
yeah, man.
stop
So,
now?
believe the time now, Miss Charming, because you don't see the thing. We're going to make the move, you know.
Alright, so.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna put the Mary vehicle and a truck. So a truck here in Trenchtown. Probably in boom one straight to the use now.
And truck.
Well and there. Mr. Wallace.
Check out the battery them. Check out the battery them first outside Kino. Yeah. Yeah, okay. See? It's still moving. Man on the back.
1, 2, 3.
Check now really.
So one of them bag, them big bag and show, man. Show them big bag now, man.
Yep. The runway. See black something here. So.
Oh.
I pull it pull that thing. Or lock.
Bring it over more and make it stay so.
Now make it stay so you can have steering.
What's here back then?
The rain not trouble it, you know. It's just not for driving in the rain. You surely don't want to go up more because the wheel is on the edge and that in. So I guess I can balance it. Come on, push over a little.
Come balance the car. Wow.
Cool, man.
See you, man. You know the thing. Thing good?
Yeah, man, you?
Hold on, man.
That's it.
Right, go to your left, yeah. Right. Yeah, go on the back. Go on the back. Five. Right, hold on. Bend up to your left. Go to your left. Bend up. Alright. Straighten. Stop it right, yes, sir. Cool. Can't go in the yard. Hold on, what you going to do? Oh, hold on, I'm passing. Sorry, never apply board, could I put the zinc? See the zinc, yeah?
Okay, then, yeah.
Can come in? Eh? Put the zinc now, wow.
Put the zinc?
Yeah. Can you use the zinc, I don't marry? Right underneath the stone, this one. Right underneath. Yeah. Amanda, come direct it from
Yeah, the
yourself.
bike, you know.
Alright, turn the wheel. Alright, hold on. Go to your bend it that way there. Put now.
No, the wheel, that's the wheel, not the shadow.
Bana, straight. Yeah,
Alright.
too much.
Yeah, lift the cat, man. Lift the cat one side. Lift the cat one side. Yeah, lift it again. Alright, no. Alright. So now come straight in now. Take your time. Don't go turn to me now. Yeah. Watch your wheel now. Watch your wheel.
Alright, Bana.
Oh, your wheel is stuck?
No, man, that's stuck.
Alright, here now. Barney, you know what? It now come true, so you have to take it from yourself.
Alright.
You know, make it stay there from yourself, so come true.
Get space to come in.
Yeah.
Yeah, get space to come in.
Alright, come in now. Come true from yourself. Come true, wow. No. Come true, Barney. Yeah.
Yeah?
Back wheel them want to pull it up.
Yeah, we are pulling. Yes, I will.
Take off the bag and take off the stuff.
Pick up the bag them.
Oh, push it up. Push it down. Yeah, so. Alright, see there.
Go away.
Just pull it.
Hindi po eh. Siya may kimguan. Hindi too much talking. The cat are coming. The cat are coming. The cat are coming.
Front bar, one, lift up. Each one is screw, one, lift up the front bar.
Alright.
Don't flash it, guys. Yeah, film can. I'm widen this so the gate. I make the gate swing out, or you know.
Yeah. So, Gino, now you saw it, you know.
The two of them pull? The two, oh.
Driver! Don't stop at all. I wonder if that's too steep.
Steam down.
Yeah.
The whole brakes when you go down.
Yeah. Tap seatbelt now, seatbelt on it. Yeah, tap seatbelt. It's like a little bit too steep.
Steep, man.
It wants some more concrete on here, so.
Yeah.
That part, yeah.
Yeah.
Try and catch from here, so. You see? You have to run off with them, you know. Yeah, plug in at the angle. Tamari, you plug in at the angle here, so. To charge it. That is like a power bank. So that can always stay charged. When I go on the road, you bring it with you. Yeah. You see? Plug it in.
I'm the charger now, you know, motor, you can put it on the charger.
But it's fully charged
Full
now.
charge now, you know. Yeah, man. You're thinking McKinley is not going to solve your problem. Prison break, I like it. Wait one ball.
The film size.
The crack in the wall, you must know. Using all the settings one back on the
Push it back now.
Bad.
They can't drive.
No, not that. This.
No, let's go forward back.
It can. It's frisky.
Eh?
No, it can't close up. It's frisky. You know, somebody say frisky?
Catch the back wheel, yeah. The front wheel, and the balance wheel.
A 6 wheel there.
For your foot?
Yeah.
It at the front here, so you pull it out.
Yeah.
But
you can pull it up, so I treat the pull.
Adjust the seat belt.
All this.
I wrap it back round. Make him can't come sit down, yes, I do it. You have to sit down tonight.
Maybe just adjust it to your side. Driver!
It wait.
Don't stop at all.
I like it all. You have to go get friendly with him gear stick. Yeah, try go down Kina and see?
Yeah. So what go on, man?
You might test it.
not to test it.
Test it, man.
That's a Kina jump up.
Not to test it.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah, see it. Come in back and see. I feel it might go want this widen, yeah? Take a widen, no one widen, too exact. Yeah.
Yeah. If not, I can't go up with him neither.
Yeah, too exact. It want widen too.
And I widen it too steep.
But this too exact thing, Kino, to come up.
Once him can drive.
Remember say you
Two but can drive.
alright. And you can jump out if anything.
Yeah.
Him can't jump out. Him can't jump.
So it's just kinda steep.
And him can't jump out if anything.
So what you can do when you're ready? Then put in it is go and test drive it.
On the veranda.
Just go and play about with it, you know? So if you want to come get some fresh air at the front, bring yourself to the front like this. Whoa, wow, boy. You see me? You're ready to come back here, just reverse.
Reverse.
So that Mario, you this. Just touch down. So this is the way to press your foot and you can pull up, you know? Yeah, like I don't say it have gear. Yeah, the 5 are the fastest. So you can use this to bring it down and bring it up. You can hold on for it.
Yeah. Some string there at the back.
Oh.
I don't know.
Okay, so it's from 50 or so.
See some string yes.
This is your bag, so we'll see what's inside of this. So we'll put some clothes in there as well. What are these? These are the insert tray. Let's start opening this. I'm seeing one of this. Syringe. Oh.
It's a urine bucket. Whatever.
What else too?
It's like if I got a doctor to test the urine. No, so, Esther?
Yes. No, syringe I like.
No, not the syringe, girl. The
Have a
cup.
back cleaner.
It's a little cup in it. So I say like if I got a doctor can
Oh yeah,
the
the
urine in
urination and
this.
carry it.
Yeah, and then
put
test it.
Yeah, put your name.
Yeah. Gauze and some virus or something. Yeah, this is for urine test.
No, this is urine box.
Yeah. So these
I want this for this.
probably you take it from the bag.
And squeeze it in.
Yeah, and squeeze it in there. So this is your bag, the Maru. So
I must sit this.
to the machine there.
Teacher.
So the blood pressure.
Okay.
The blood pressure.
See there. You hold the machine next one.
Next one.
How you squeeze? How you take this?
Esther, come here.
Esther.
I don't want to prick. I want to prick. You prick your blood.
How you prick it?
How this work?
And then you push it in here so. Look what's in there.
Maybe this. Look in this. Put this.
Right.
So I sugar up this a little bit and push it.
No, this have blood
So,
first.
so what is now this?
So, you know, so this
That's
order
what
to
them
read.
get.
It's like my digital one. This order to read.
So which one this?
I eat this. This one.
Two of them in the
Then two of them then.
No, so,
This about, you should get a digital one.
alright, what about that one?
Yes, but this is
What about
order
that
to
one then?
read.
like this stuff.
The digital just the numbers come up this way.
Very much. They're giving too much already.
You know the plug-in bar?
I forgot to bring the pamper.
Where plug where it's
And then I can't.
and you know that walk from the
So what?
there one bolt is in there. Oh, same thing. The same pump on.
The same pump on that.
Yeah.
Then I want. Tell me the multivitamins one a day.
Then that is straight.
Eh?
It's the pressure something. The sugar something.
Yeah, no rest of them though. Yeah,
Test straight, yeah, see that.
The sugar something.
Yeah.
Glucose,
And then put it in the machine.
Oh, I eat this here look for.
Yeah, but
And you put it in here so. Yeah, so.
Wait,
Sorry, then glass.
you need
you need the first. Then the blood go down in a this and you push down in a that. So what's in a teacher?
You know, put it in
No,
there.
I'm not seeing none of that.
You know, remember to get something. You know the same, it's like receptacle, but you plug it in and you screw the bulb in there, you get the light from it.
Okay, yeah.
This?
No, I know
What's
that.
on it?
Well, you never come.
Yeah,
the fruit where you juice yourself.
Yeah, you just, I hear one for push. Yeah.
Squeeze out the blood.
Squeeze the blood, and then you put in the mash. And toast it.
but 3 of them, 4 of them, you get too much. And but, and look over here, how much prick would they get golden age? For Esther?
Prick, you get them prick?
From when the nurse them was here. It's like them get too much of the pricks. So you have to go check if I go down here and get some of the prick back for you. You hear that, man? Glass. Where glass?
You have to read.
High glow. And this is where she said,
You scratch your back.
yeah.
Yeah, no, nobody said.
Tam. No, we don't have to use so much.
You give them up over for a goal, man.
Yeah.
One of them.
Prick.
Not the prick, man. The hand something, like when they can't read something. They can't use it and...
Massage.
No, the ball in
Pick
line.
up, like pick up thing.
Yeah, they pick up.
Okay, the pickup stick.
I pick up thing.
One of them, I don't know for one of them.
I'll check if we have any over the shop. Because we have so many, I'm checking at the
Some
back.
more I read certain things, I can't read it. I have the stick.
I know.
Take it up.
As I say, what am I going to do? I gotta check up at the Golden Age and get some of the prick them, because them have them up there. Because the nurse they give them some while I was here. The day when I would bring the stuff them, because at the same time your bag get pack as well too. So your bag get pack from in at them times. Back in it already?
Triple A.
And we have more triple A battery over there though.
Yeah.
So that man, so what we have to do? We gotta get the pricks them for you, yeah?
Yeah, you said that one in the You said it's a vitamin.
Yeah, it's a multivitamins. So with a meal. So you know you're gonna need the vitamins. Now coming up look. You looking this side?
I'm gonna try more
Go
than
on side,
about. Yeah, I'm check this.
Okay. Alright. Don't worry, man. I'm gonna get some of the pricks them for you, Mary. Wait, say. Let me see.
Mouthwash.
Yeah. Skin, yes. Skin repair.
You have one of these already?
Are the same thing? I'm gonna need 4. So bring back over the rest. Keep them.
What kind of battery?
We have battery over there. Turn it on. We just turn it on. Let's squeeze it down.
So when you drink yourself with that, which part you put this on?
It's straight. You put it
You
on
know
this.
on this, but which
Clean
part you
yourself.
plug it?
That should be clean.
I want you something.
I see now you can type it in on YouTube as well too. How to use it. Policy. I'm trying to find it.
You know, say give him the leg something or the you bring that in?
It's in the car. I'm not.
Oh, sorry.
I got to take it to the car to the Pampers. I'm a baby for you. Yeah, I'm a bag them as well too. So.
Yeah, I try
But then they never keep this.
But me have them in the car, so what me gonna do? Me gonna drop them off. Yeah? But me gonna drive. Yeah.
When you have been them there, you bring this something quick. You want to make them keep this soap
Yeah. I forgot if I go in it. Alright, Damari, so I have 2 donations here for you. You know, so. Put on that for a minute. So I have 100 US here for you. From the Sunrise team, Miss Charmaine. So here's 100 US from Miss Charmaine and the Sunrise team.
Charmaine and Sunrise team, give thanks with your food basket. I appreciate it a lot. Sunrise team, and much love. Much love. Thanks again.
Alright, so we'll give thanks to the Sunrise team. Miss Charmaine, we thank you so much. And we also want a donation here from Miss Dolores, you know, and our friend Anonymous. Anonymous.
Doris and
Yeah, Dolores. And Anonymous, you know, she and our friend. So the next friend don't want to have the name card. Says Anonymous, you know, to help out with the school stuff for your kids there, for your son. I say kids, that one again, right? For your son. So this is 43,000 from Dolores and the Anonymous friend. So count that. 43,000.
how much is it?
43. Yeah, so that's for the Dolores and our friend who is Anonymous. Dolores.
Dolores.
No, Dolores.
Oh, Dolores.
Yeah, Dolores.
Dolores and Anonymous.
Yeah.
Thank you a lot. Thank you for your bossy. Over you. And I appreciate it a lot. Thanks and much love. Okay?
Alright, so we'll give thanks to Dolores And the Anonymous, we thank you so much, to helping out Damari with his donation to help out with his son. And also the Sunrise team, we thank him so much to helping out Damari. He finally got his chair, but I think his step is going to need a bit reconstruct. It's too steep, so just want to get a bit of height so he can flow down and then the gate I want to smooth out. So have all of that, so we need to go to the golden age of growth to get some of the pricks them, because there wasn't no pricks inside the bag. We just want to thank him so much, for helping out Damari. As you can see now, smile on his face, see.
Yeah, I appreciate it a lot, Like the wheelchair come around, so you have to move around,
Yeah, move around. I can't even go through the front, you have to go through the back.
That's what me have to do at the time. I will make someone put out the wheat, a little bit more and then put me in.
But trust me, it's heavy,
That my sister now fight.
Alright, so you need 4.
You stop it here. It's really fast.
It's fast.
Stop.
No, you cannot be able to test it, man.
You just take time. Don't try to go and go fast.
Yes, that's why the said go in there and practice.
Get the feel of it.
Just practice before you go outside.
Yeah, once you outside, you're good, man.
You can't practice here. You have to practice here first. Yeah, you have to practice here first.
Yeah.
But once you stop it's sharp. Once you let it stop.
Yeah.
Once you move it, move.
So some man drive this thing for me and say something. Yeah. Nippy. It's easy, man. So more time you feel you can just slug night and go and enjoy yourself. Yes. Alright, so Damari, pick up yourself, yeah?
Yeah, Sunrise, big up on yourself. And
Dolores.
Dolores and
Anonymous, yeah.
Give thanks a lot and I really appreciate it. And big up yourself.
Alright.
God bless you. That people float over your basket so you can help another person. I appreciate it a lot. And Sunrise, big up on yourself with the wheelchair. I appreciate it a lot, yeah?
Yeah. Alright then, so I think I drop all the pampas then for you, yeah?
Yeah, I remember the script and the pressure machine that she said. We get the sugar machine. But she said she has been
the digital one.
But we don't have any of the digital one. No.
Well, in time manage that.
Is there somebody or the nurse in
Yeah.
use them?
And they tell if no one to stop and then squeeze again to get the cap on the bottom with the somebody with the nursing really.
Yeah.
We need a digital one.
Alright then. So now worry yourself, man. Everything I got set. Yeah? Yeah. Alright, Esther, park up the man chair now, man.
Get up now, man.
Alright guys, so as you can see, the step is a bit it wanna be on a level, so as you can see, up here is higher and here is lower. So coming down is too steep and going up is the same thing. So that I will need a bit to be on the same level. And also coming outside, right here is gonna need some cement so you can ride over as well too. So that will be the problem for now, but he's all set. So once him have that, he's good. You go in and come out whenever I'm ready. Okay, ready? So yes guys, so the thing goes already. We give thanks to the Sunrise team, Dolores and Anonymous. We thank you for the donation, for Damari, for his son to help out with the back to school, Also, we give pampers to up in Arnie Garden. So, we keep on spreading our wings, slowly but surely. We take one step at a time, one step at a time. So, we're going to head back over to the headquarters. So, when I'm going to leave, I will drive and come drop off the pampers them for Damari. Also, Go on. You fly out.
Take it out from me. One slip on.
Wait for the driver to land. Go by it.
Go by it, man. It's already.
Fire. Me have a fire, the man. Go by it.
Driver. Trenchtown at night.
Can do some work?
Yes, sir. Everything though.
Yeah.
I want to Josh him, you know, Josh him. Who know? Man, I don't know. Oh, and slash, I'm general thing up. Who know? Go up to today? Yeah.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving.